Welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel so that you can stay updated about my latest video. You get notified so that you will stay updated and know when I drop a new video. And most of my video are going to help you when it comes to manipulation aspects. So all you just need to do is subscribe. Just click on subscribe button.
Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Reflex Image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the notification icon, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So in this video, unlike my other videos, I'll be showing you how to do this manipulation, but not from scratch. Just wanted to show you some basic things you need to know when it comes to manipulation. Yeah, I've actually removed the background. I've separated my subject from the background. You know how I usually do. So I've separated my subject. Here's my subject layer, and here is my background without the subject. So the separation is done. If you want to know how to do it to this stage, so you can watch my previous video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my color harmonizing. As you all know, my previous color is my gray. This is one of my favorite background I use. Trust me, if you want to learn manipulation very fast, get this backdrop, this color of backdrop. It's going to help you in terms of manipulation because it's easy to actually blend the color to whatever color you need in whatever manipulation you need, and it's going to be very smooth to even crop out the subject from the backdrop because the color differential from the skin and the backdrop is there, so it's going to be easier for you to remove your subject from the backdrop. So what I want to show you right now is, as you guys know, this backdrop I brought in right now, if I'm to turn everything off, this backdrop I brought in right now, it's of green color, but my footer area is what color? My footer area is gray. All my backdrop is gray. So if I'm to bring the background in right now, I need to harmonize the color with this to make it look very nice, not as if we actually brought in the overlay. And that's the beauty of manipulation. And also, I added a little bit of touch, these flowers, to the picture. The reason is because she's actually wearing a red outfit. So just to make everything look very nice, how to harmonize all the colors together to make it look very perfect. So and that's manipulation. You just don't bring in any file and expect it to work out to you the way you want. So you just have to use initiative and merge out colors together. So no further ado, let's jump into action. So this layer you're seeing right now, let's turn this off. This is not part of the, these are the sample layers. Let's rename it so that we won't mistake it for something else. Sample layer. So what we need to do right now is to bring in our overlay right now. So click on the layer directly below your subject layer. This is our subject layer right now. Let's rename this also subject. Let's rename it our subject. So the layer directly below it right now, then go to your file manager, go to where your overlay are located. All these overlay will soon be available for sale in my store. So this is the overlay I'm trying to make use of right now. So let me drag it down to my Photoshop. Let me drag it down to my Photoshop. So once I drag it, I will make sure I expand it to the way I want it to be in the picture. So I'll make sure it's filling every area the way I want it to be in the picture. I think I want it around this way. Then I'm click on my OK. You can see right now. So the moment I brought it in, it actually came with this what should I call it? This color of backdrop or the floor, somehow like what should I call it? A cream color, which is what I don't like. So we are going to clean this area off using our brush. So create a mask on the layer you just brought in right now. Then pick your brush, make sure the color is on black. Then scroll over the area you don't want to be there. Let me scroll over this area like this. The reason why we are scrolling over this area is we want to retain our footer shadow. We want our footer shadow to still be there so that our manipulation will look very nice. So let me clean up this area like this. You can see. Let's clean this up. This is not what we want. Let's clean it up. So to make our manipulation look very nice. Let's clean it up. Let's clean this up right now. So the moment you actually just clean this off right now, what you now have now is a gray, you have a gray backdrop. And it's not actually bending in perfectly with the backdrop we just brought in right now. So click on the layer directly below the subject layer, the background layer I just brought in right now. Click on it, then go to adjustment layer, go to hue and saturation. Under the hue and saturation, once it's actually loaded up, just click on colorize. You can see it automatically change the color from the gray to this near red color. So now under the hue, keep messing with the hue till you get what you want. You get the color you are looking for. I think this is the color, this is similar to the color, but it's still light. So come to lightness, drag the lightness down, drag it down. So you can increase the color or you can reduce the color until you get your perfect color. So I think I should just change it a little bit again. So just make sure you just keep trying out the color till you get what is going to fit with what you are trying to achieve. So you can see right now. I think I like this a little bit. So what I just need to do right now is to go to the background I just brought in right now. This is the background I brought in and blow it out a little bit. Just have to click on it. Go to filter, that filter, go to blur, then click on Gaussian blur. So I'm going to increase the radius. Let me increase the radius till I see it. Here, I think 18 is okay. 18 is okay. Let's use 18. 18 is okay. Click on my OK. So it's looking very, very nice. Some might think this is how the background is in the studio. For the issue I'm having right now, but I don't think there's any issue now. Because there are some times that the line of the background will remain. So it's going to be showing the remnant of the previous background we are using. So to make amendment to that, make sure you just click on your layer, the subject layer, then go to layer, under layer, come down to meeting, then click on clone to contaminate. Once you click on it, it should remove that for you automatically. But I don't think I have that issue in this particular picture. So this being said right now, our picture is looking very, very pink. All you just need to do is to harmonize the color by color grading it. Or before we do that, let's bring in the flower vase. I think you forgot the flower, which is there right over here. I'll be giving you both the flower and this overlay for free. If you want to get the complete pack or everything, to be on my store for purchase. So let me go back to my file manager right now and go to where the file is located and drag it down to my Photoshop. So let's see. Okay, this is it. These are the different type of flower branches. All these flower branches are available on my Telegram group for free for you guys to download there. You can just go and download them there. So this is the one I make use of. I just have to drag it down to my Photoshop. What I just need to do is to place them. I don't need to actually blur anything out because some are already blurred out. They are giving me depth of field already. Just have to adjust from both sides till I see fit. I think around this way is okay. And wait for it to actually place the subject for us. And you can see it's looking very, very pink. Next thing I just need to do, go to my adjustment layer, under adjustment layer, click on my color lookup, then load 3D load, scroll down to my Mela chocolate, which guys know I love using the most. Click on it and boom, it's going to give me a low light picture, which is what I love. If it's too much, come to the opacity, drag it down. You can decide to spice up the subject skin a little bit, go back to adjustment layer, click on your color lookup. I'm using LUT so you can color grade your picture the way you know how to color grade best. And if you want to get my color grading pack also, they're ready for sale on my store. And just go and make purchase of them there. They're very, very affordable. Click on Load 3D LUT, scroll down, and I'll click on my near bram, and boom. You're getting a very, very nice simple manipulation. We just use simple clicks. And with this right now, you don't have, not every time your manipulation needs to look extreme. Just a simple thing, a simple click or two, you'll be able to achieve something very, very great that someone might not even, some might think is a very, very complex manipulation. And that's the beauty about it. So if this video helped, don't forget to drop a like. Someone out there might be in need of this. So see you guys on my next tutorial. Reflex out.
So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my LUT file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUT. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my preset file. So in case you're interested in buying any one, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.